Good morning, my dear students. Myself, Dr. Girish Goyal, Assistant Professor, Department of Agronomy, School of Agriculture, IIT University, Gwalior. Students, I hope you all are good and stay at home safely. मैं आशा करता हूँ कि आप सभी लोग घर पे होंगे, सुरक्षित होंगे. Students, today I am going to start our subject Rabi crop production for BSc Agriculture 7th semester. So let's start our topic about cultivation of sunflower crop part 1. Students, I will introduce all content one by one, and first introduction, next climatic requirement, next soil requirement, next seasons, next nutrient management, next hybrid varieties recommended for different states, next seed rate and method of seeding, next spacing and plant population. Okay, so students, before starting the topic, I want to tell you about some general information of sunflower crop. So students, sunflower is known towards period to 19th century as ornamental plants. With its alternative flower, after recognition that its seed have high quality edible oil, it is widely grown in many countries as an oilseed crop. Students, it is oil is rich understanded oleic acid, linoleic acid, 74% and hence useful to human health. Students, as these fatty acids are not produced as human body consumption of sunflower is considered as essential. Students, its use is associated with the Hartley hearts as sunflower oil hardly allow the blockage of blood vessels and do not result into higher cholesterol. Students, they also regular blood pressure. The seeds contain average of 28% oil maximum of 36%, while carnana alone contains 44 to 45% oil. It is mainly used as frying medium and for cosmetic purpose as ornament. Students say the oil contain large quantities of vitamin E and citrulline sequence and the other alphanics and hydrocarbons such as terpenes and methyl ketones. Students, sunflower was domesticated by USA as commercial crop, although sunflower oil was first produced by Russian imperialists 1835. Students, the sunflower seeds are also used as bird feeds. It is male used as cattle feed. Its other uses include use of kernels as food which or without roasting, making sunflower butter, sunflower seed bread produce of non rubbers. Besides use of various applications as alternative to olive oils. Students, as some varieties of sunflower produce oil more rich in oleic acid than even olive oil. Students, sunflower oil is used as body hair oil, making this and different plant part used against snack beets traditionally. Students, sunflower as an oil seed is a newly introduced crop is the country. The crop has gained importance due to its short duration of maturity, containing of excellent quality of oil. Students, photosynthetically the wide adaptability into different kinds of cropping pattern, high high energy, hollow and drought tolerant. Students, it is a short duration crop and can be intercropped in different type of cropping pattern. Students, sunflower is grown as intercrop with the crops such as groundnut, pigeon pea, castor, soybean, etc. Since it is a photosynthesis crop, it can be grown the year. सो स्टूडेंट्स ये तो थोड़ा जनरल इन्फॉर्मेशन था. ओके, सो हमारा फर्स्ट कंटेंट है स्टूडेंट्स इंट्रोडक्शन. ओके, सो स्टूडेंट्स आइए देखते हैं हम अपना इंट्रोडक्शन. स्टूडेंट्स, सनफ्लावर इज़ द नेम हेलियंथस is derived from helios meaning sun and anthus meaning flower. Students, its call as sunflower was its follow the sun always turning towards its direct rays. Students, it is important oilseed crop of country. Sunflower oil is most popular because of this light color, bright flavor, high smoke point and high level of linoleic acid, which is good for heart patent. Students, sunflower seed contain about 48 से 53% edible oil. So students, this is introduction. नेक्स्ट कंटेंट है हमारा स्टूडेंट्स क्लाइमेटिक रिक्वायरमेंट. ओके, so students, mean daily temperatures for ideal growth in initial stage 18 and 25 degree Celsius. For later stage 21 से 25 degree Celsius, it can tolerate cold temperature better than hot temperature, as it can germinate even at 10 degree Celsius. Students, hot temperature around 40 degree Celsius may reduce oil yield. Seed set. Students, it is drought tolerant and is successful in rainy season but requires irrigation when grow in Rabi summer season. Students, those flowering is not governed by photo period. It is short day plant and take longer period to mature in cold climate or at high altitudes up to 200 days. Students, in hot region it can mature even in 70 से 18 days. So students, this is a climatic requirement. Students, next content है हमारा soil requirement. Students, it can be grown in any well-drained soil with good water holding capacity having natural pH 6.0 से 7.5, but it can withstand salinity and at the initial stage, but at later stage it needs natural soils. So students, this is soil requirement. Students, next content है हमारा seasons. So students, sunflower can be grow although the year provided soil moisture. Irrigation is not a limiting factor. Students, sowing time should be decided in such as a way that flowering and seed development stage do not consider with continuous rain or temperature above 30 degrees Celsius. Recommended sowing the time of different states in given below. And the students, they are different season kharif, rabi and summer and spring, and they are different states Maharashtra, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Punjab, Uttar Pradesh, Haryana, Bihar, West Bengal and like Odisha. So first state is student Maharashtra, and their different season kharif, rabi, summer and first season kharif. So students, state Maharashtra first सीज़न हमारा पहला खरीफ. सो जुलाई फर्स्ट वीक, रबी में फर्स्ट हाफ ऑफ नवंबर, एंड समर में लास्ट वीक ऑफ जनवरी. यही बात करें स्टूडेंट कर्नाटक में बात करें हम लोग तो खरीफ में जुलाई एंड रबी में सेकेंड हाफ ऑफ सितंबर टू फर्स्ट हाफ ऑफ अक्टूबर. समर में बात करें स्टूडेंट्स जनवरी टू ईयरली फरवरी. फिर बात करें स्टूडेंट तमिलनाडु में तो हम लोग खरीफ में मिड जुलाई रबी में बात करें ईयरली नवंबर, और समर में बात करें तो स्टूडेंट्स मिड फरवरी। आंध्र प्रदेश की बात करें स्टूडेंट्स तो हम खरीफ में मिड जुलाई टू मिड अगस्त। अगर हम यहीं रबी में बात करें सेकेंड हाफ ऑफ नवंबर। स्टूडेंट समर में बात करें हम लोग तो जनवरी टू ईयरली फरवरी। सो स्टूडेंट दे आर डिफरेंट स्टेट्स एंड डिफरेंट सीजन। सो स्टूडेंट्स दिस इज सीजन्स। स्टूडेंट्स नेक्स्ट कंटेंट स्कर्ट हमारा न्यूट्रेंट मैनेजमेंट। तो स्टूडेंट्स आइए देखते हैं न्यूट्रेंट मैनेजमेंट। स्टूडेंट्स it is an exclusive crop and need high nutrition. It may extract around 175 kg nitrogen and 64 से 70 kg P2O5 and 200 से 225 kg K2O per hectare. When around 14 to 15 quintal grains are harvested, students, this clearly indicate the sunflower require heavy fertilization. Students, initial application of 8 से 10 tons of manure per hectare, 15 से 20 days earlier to the sowing. Students, is essential for the success of the crop. Future fertilizer supplying 60 to 80 kg nitrogen per hectare, 60 kg P2O5 per hectare and 40 से 50 kg K2O per hectare are necessary to be applied. Students, out of this entire phosphorus and potassium are applied as basal dose along with 2/3 and remaining dose of N is applied at the time of flowering. Students, application of ZnHO4 at the rate 10 kg per hectare along with basal dose of fertilizer can improve the seed yield and oil yield. Students, while foliar application of 2% borax on heads at the time of flowering may improve the seed setting and increases the grain yield. So students, this is nutrient management. नेक्स्ट कंटेंट है स्टूडेंट्स हाइब्रिड्स वैरायटीज़ रिकमेंडेड फॉर डिफरेंट स्टेट्स। स्टूडेंट्स हम मतलब डिफरेंट स्टेट्स में हाइब्रिड वैरायटी कौन कौन सी रिकमेंड कर सकते हैं, आइए देखते हैं। फर्स्ट वैरायटी है BSH1 एंड KBSH1। स्टूडेंट्स मैच्योर इन 90 से 95 डेज यील्डिंग 1500 kg पर हेक्टेयर हैव ऑयल कंटेंट of 42 से 44%. Next variety is students LSH1. Students, for Maharashtra yearly variety 85 से 90 days and yield up to 1200 kg per hectare, oil content 39%. Next students LSH3. Students, for Maharashtra medium duration 95 से 100 days and yield up to the 1500 kg per hectare, oil content 40%. Next student variety है PSFH-FS67. Students, for Punjab yearly variety 90 से 95 days yield up to the 1500 kg per hectare, oil content 42%. So students, this is hybrid varieties recommended for different states. Okay, so next का content है student हमारा seed rate and method of seeding. So students आइए देखते हैं। Students, for quick germination and optimum stand establishment especially under rain-fed condition. So students, the seed should be soaked in fresh water for about 14 hours followed by shade drying. Students, the seed should be treated with therum or captain at 2 से 3 kg per hectare gram per kg to protect from seed-borne disease. Students, line sowing using seed drill is the best method of sowing. The seed is often sown is furrows behind country plowing. Hand dribbling in plowing furrow is also common. Its when optimum sowing depth is 5 centimeter due to inadequate soil moisture or poor quality seed. The stand establishment may be a problem. Students, as such, higher seed date is often recommended. The compensate for such a problem. Recommended seed rate are given below, like cultivars next rainfed kg per hectare and next irrigated kg per hectare. So students, there are different varieties and local varieties and hybrid varieties. तो फर्स्ट है वैराइटीज़ में स्टूडेंट्स, ये रेनफील्ड की बात करें तो हम लोग 8 से 10 केजी पर हेक्टेयर रेनफील्ड में, और यही हम इरीगेट में करें बात तो 6 से 7 केजी पर हेक्टेयर इरीगेट में। यही बात करें स्टूडेंट्स हाइब्रिड वैराइटीज़ में हम लोग रेनफील्ड की बात करें तो 5 से 6 केजी पर हेक्टेयर। स्टूडेंट यही अगर हम बात करें इरीगेट में तो 4 से 5 केजी पर हेक्टेयर इरीगेट कंडीशन में। सो स्टूडेंट्स, दिस इज सीड डेट एंड मेथड ऑफ सीडिंग। स्टूडेंट्स, नेक्स्ट कंटेंट है हमारा स्पेसिंग एंड प्लांट पॉपुलेशन। Students, in sunflower growing countries, row spacing range from 45 से 100 centimeter. Our plant population from 60,000 to 250,000 plant per hectare. Students, in India, optimum row spacing vary from 45 से to 60 centimeter depending on soil types as indicate below. So first, there are different soil, light, medium and heavy, and different spacing and different population per hectare. So first of all, their soil, light soil and spacing 45 से 20 centimeter and population 1,11,000 per hectare. नेक्स्ट है हमारा मीडियम सॉइल की बात करें स्टूडेंट्स, यहाँ पे स्पेसिंग मेंटेन कर रहे हैं 45 से 30 सेंटीमीटर। स्टूडेंट्स पॉपुलेशन की बात करें हम लोग पर हेक्टेयर में तो 74,000 प्लांट पॉपुलेशन पर हेक्टेयर, इसमें मीडियम सॉइल में, एंड स्पेसिंग कितनी है 45 से 30 सेंटीमीटर। यही बात करें स्टूडेंट्स हैवी सॉइल में हम लोग 60 स्पेसिंग कितनी है 60 से 30 सेंटीमीटर, प्लांट पॉपुलेशन कितने हैं 55,000 पर हेक्टेयर। सो दिस इज प्लांट पॉपुलेशन। ओके स्टूडेंट्स, wide row spacing or 60 centimeter is preferred for hybrid and longer duration varieties. For short duration variety and draft variety, a row spacing of 45 centimeter is adequate. Students, sunflower crop is highly susceptible to competition from more than one plant per hills. Maintenance of optimum plant population by just thinning around 10 to 15 days after emergence to maintain single plant per hill is essential for obtain higher yields. Students, while thinning, care must be taken to minimize distance to the plant left in the field, especially under rainfall condition. So students, this is spacing and plant population. Next students, outcome. Students, high humidity accompanied by a cloudy weather and rainfall at the time of flowering result in poor seed set. Students, the optimum range of soil pH for this crop is 6.5 to 8.5. It performs better than groundnut in heavy black cotton soil of Karnataka and Tamil Nadu. So students, this is outcome. So students, this topic is finished. Cultivation of sunflower part 1. Okay, so I will introduce all cultivation practices part by part. So this is part 1, next part 2 लेकर आऊँगा आपके लिए. Okay, so students, thank you. This topic is finished, cultivation of sunflower crop part 1. तो आई होप आप इसे अच्छे से देखें स्टूडेंट्स इसका इंटरेक्टिव वीडियो भी आपको मिलेगा। लाइक मतलब इंटरेक्टिव वीडियो मीन्स होता है कि अजोता का पूरा वीडियो नहीं देखेंगे तो आप उसको समझ भी नहीं पाएंगे, ठीक है ना। और बीच बीच में स्टूडेंट्स में कुछ क्वेश्चन भी आते हैं कि आपको वो उनका आंसर भी देना है, जब भी उस वीडियो को पूरा आप लोग देख पाएंगे, ठीक है। क्योंकि आपकी जो ऑटोमेटिक मार्किंग भी है उसी के बेस पे हो सकती है। तो स्टूडेंट्स आई होप आप से अच्छे से देखें, पढ़ें, और कोई डाउट लगे तो हमसे एक बार नहीं 10 बार पूछ सकते हैं, ठीक है। थैंक यू स्टूडेंट्स।